One goal of this replacement job is to maintain the appearance of the original 2¼ inch milled wood exterior brick mold appearance and eliminate the need for future maintenance painting. These replacement windows were ordered with the factory applied brick mold frame option, which simulates the look of the traditional 2¼ inch milled brick mold. Remove the brick mold screw cap cover and set aside for reinstallation after all fasteners are installed. If weight is an issue, the installers may remove both window sashes. Next, apply 2 beads of sealant to the perimeter of the rough opening, one to the rough opening edge and the other to the joint butting area of the exterior cladding. From the outside, they lift the unit into the rough opening, being careful not to stress the sill buildup area. They check each unit for plumb, level, and square, and make any necessary adjustments before tacking the windows in place using screws in the hidden brick mold screw cavity. Inside, they insert shims behind the side jamb, between the unit frame and the rough opening, and check the reveal between the sash and frame. For a brick mold installation, shims are required behind the meeting rail jamb jacks to allow for proper reach and use of the jamb jacks. Ensure the units are still level, plumb, and square, making adjustments as necessary. Then finish securing the unit to the rough opening using screws in the hidden brick mold fastener cavity. Reinstall the brick mold hidden cavity cap covers that were set aside earlier. Next, the screws are placed on the side jambs at the pre-drilled installation holes. This is required to meet the structural performance grade rating for the product. Finally, trim off any excess shims and insulate around the perimeter with a non-expanding foam sealant. Be sure the unit is properly flashed and sealed for protection against water and air infiltration. Apply a final cap bead of sealant along the perimeter of the window siding joint. Confirm the head flashing is installed and sealed properly. Next, pull the pre-inserted F-trim or finish trim up to the bottom of the new sill nose. Seal and secure in place. Remember, the sill has been built up to ensure the window frame did not rest on the exterior siding after installation. Finally, reinsert the screen to complete the exterior installation.